Hello guys, welcome to my YT channel. This is Sir Jess. So, as what I have mentioned yesterday, na i-share ko yung MC script ko sa organization sa aming school na naging officer ako. So, I think if you are relate with this script, so this is for you. So, after I share my MC script, you can comment on the comment section if you want to have a copy because I have a soft copy of this. So this is my self-made script based on the program. So ito yung program. Ayan. So this is the program and this is the flow. Ayan. So meron tayong, of course, title of the program and then the flow kung ano yung sequence ng mga events at mga happenings na mai-include sa program. So, nag-base ako doon and then I made my script. Okay, so as what I have mentioned, this is a self-made script. So, I am in an organization titled Justeya. Ayan. So, this is an organization where I am an officer. I am an assistant secretary there. So, I was being assigned to be the MC and at the same time to work with the tar papel. So, I already made my tar papel at saka tapos na yung event. So, tong script na to i-share ko sa inyo mga guys. So, for part 1, so, meron tayong mga preliminaries, of course. So, ang nilagay ko dito is, of course, acknowledgement sa mga nakakataas or persons that are incumbent. Ayan. Or yung mga higher officials. Ayan. So, dun sa amin, isa lang dumalo na official. It is our PSDS or the Public Schools District Supervisor. So, sabi ko lang dito sa script. So, dito sa script ko guys. Ayan, so we would like to acknowledge the presence of our public schools district supervisor. Of course, yung name niya. And then, ma'am. Yun. Pag na-mention mo na yung name niya, ma'am. Alright? And then after that, if there are other position with incumbent positions na higher, so i-acknowledge pa rin sila. Just like for example, yung mga participants namin are teachers and then yung mga AOs at saka yung mga school heads. So, of course, you have to acknowledge the school heads also. So, nilagay ko dito, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of our school heads at saka yung amin doon sa aming district, merong cluster head in every cluster. Ayan, so 30 barangays, 30 schools. So, meron dyang cluster head. So, for cluster 1, we have Sir. Kung sino siya. For cluster 2, ayan. For cluster 3, 4, and 5, and so on and so forth. Kung hanggang anong cluster. Ayan. And then, if malapit na mag-umpisa yung program, so you can call, nilagay ko dito, we would like to request the teachers to please, settle down. We are about to start our program. Ayan. So, nilagay ko dito para yung teachers ma-remind na magsa-start na yung ating program. And then, if there are occupied seats, there are vacant seats in front na hindi pa na-fill in or nauupuan ng mga teachers, at doon sila sa likuran umuupo, pero yung mga front seats are vacant, you can say, we would like to request the teachers to please occupy the seats in front because we have plenty of seats here. Please fill it up. Ayan. So, yun yung nilagay ko dito na statement. And then, if there's attendance or in charge of attendance, at saka yung iba nakalimutan mag-attendance, you can say, we would like to remind the teachers that we have attendance by cluster. So, please have your attendance. Thank you. Ayan. So, baka malimutan nila yun. So, dapat i-remind mo sila na merong attendance para makapag-attendance. Ayan. So, tapos na tayo dito sa punta tayo sa, for example, a short introduction. Punta tayo sa short introduction. So, nilagay ko dito, a pleasant day to our diligent officers, respected school heads, beloved teachers, and industrious employees. It is a great honor to welcome you all in this prestigious gathering of Justeia. Ayun. So, nilagay ko yun. And then, of course, the meaning of the Justeia. And then, today's program is an emblem of unity, cooperation, and shared purpose among the members of our organization. This activity reminds us that through teamwork and collaboration, we continue to strengthen the bonds that holds Justeia together as one family. Ayan. So, pagkatapos ng short introduction, you can proceed to the prayer. Kung sino yung maglilid ng prayer. Maglilid ng national anthem, ng Capiz hymn, and kung ano pa dyan na preliminary. So, ganito na sasabihin mo. As we commence, I'm inviting everyone to please stand for our prayer to be given by that person, followed by the singing of our national anthem. Mention also the name of the person who is going to lead. And please remain standing for the recitation of the DepEd Quality Policy Statement. Of course, meron na tayong DepEd Quality Policy Statement, so we should recite that. Then afterwards, or after the consecutive numbers, you can tell the participants, thank you. Thank first the persons who led the singing of the national anthem and the Capiz hymn, and then who lead the prayer. And then after that, tell the participants you may now take your seats. Ayan. Then, welcome remarks. Of course, di mawala yung pagwe-welcome. So, to welcome, at this point, let us welcome kung sino yung naka-assign sa pagwe-welcome. And then the position of her or him for her welcome remarks. Ayan. So, pagkatapos na mag-welcome remarks, sasabihin mo lang, thank you ma'am for that warm welcome. Ayun. Alright. So, dapat merong praise. Then after that, meron ditong another message. So, magbe-message yung PSDS. So, sabihin mo lang dito, and now may we lend our ears to the message of our public schools district supervisor. Okay, ayan. So, kung merong halimbawa, hindi available yung PSDS at saka merong mag-iibang message, sabihin mo lang, if our public schools district supervisor is not around, since she's not around, it will be rendered by kung sino. So, mention his or her name on her behalf. Ayan, on behalf of the public schools district supervisor. Then after giving of the message, thank you ma'am, sir, for the meaningful message you had brought and shared to us. Ayan. So that's it. And then next, flow. Meron kaming initiation of newly hired teachers. So magre-render sila or magbibigay sila ng song number or song performance. So ito yung script ko. At this moment, let's sit back and relax as we welcome our selected newly hired teachers to this organization as they will render to us their talent through a song performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let us call in from cluster 3 o kung sino yung una na magre-render ng song, and then mention his or her name para malaman kung anong school siya. And this is to be followed by kung sino naman yung susunod sa kanya nakakanta from cluster and then yung school, so that he or she will be recognized. Then after their singing or na-render na yung pagkanta, please give them a round of applause. So of course, don't forget to give praise for their song performance. And then after that, meron tayong checking of attendance. Ayan. So, checking of attendance, let's move to the checking of attendance by cluster. May I call in kung sino yung in charge, And then, ma'am, please take it away. Ayan. So, siya yung mag-check ng attendance ng mga participants by cluster. And then, yung amin palang program, meron siyang combined with raffle draw. So, sinabi ko lang doon, we are going to have our raffle draw. We have a surprise raffle draw to the participants. And special thanks to the donors of this raffle prizes. Ayan. Then, i-instruct mo lang sila who will going to do the drawing of lots or the random draw. Ayan. Kung sino yung in charge dyan na magbubunot. Yun lang. Instruct them also how many to be picked, how many to be yung bubunutin. Ayan. And then after checking of attendance and the raffle draw, thank you ma'am for that lively and energetic checking of attendance. Praise pa rin tayo. And then after that, another initiation na naman. So sinabi ko lang dito sa mga newly hired or selected newly hired teachers, at this moment, let us put smile and joy towards our faces as we witness again another song performance to be given by our selected newly hired teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, let us call in ma'am or sir from cluster. Kung anong cluster. And then mention the school, and then to be followed by ma'am or sir kung sino yung susunod, mention the cluster and then the school. And then please give them a big round of applause. Ayan. Then after their singing, or pagkatapos nilang kumanta, give praise. Thank you, moms, for that sweet and terrific singing. Ayan. Then raffle draw na naman. Sasabihin mo lang na, okay, we will have again our another draw or another raffle draw. So let's see who are the lucky persons who will receive these raffle prizes or our consolation prizes. Of course, meron ding mga grand prizes. Pero nilalagay yan sa last part. So of course, uunahin yung mga consolation prizes. So, after that, since na-initiate na yung mga newly hired teachers which are only selected, so meron din tayong mga introduction of the school heads. Of course, ipapakilala din yung mga school heads, and then you are going to call in someone who will introduce the school heads in different clusters. Ayan. So, kung sino yung in charge. So, sabihin mo lang, at this point, we will have the introduction of our school heads by kung sino yung pangalan or in charge na mag-i-introduce. And then, let's give her a round of applause. Ganyan. And then after that, since napakilala na yung mga school heads and then the teachers, of course, the employees or the administrative officers. So sinabi ko dito, at this juncture, not only teachers and school heads are being presented or introduced, but also the employees working office and not handling any subjects to teach. To present themselves, allow me to call in, of course, meron ding in charge to introduce the AOs. To do the honor, ma'am. Ayan, yan yung sinabi ko dito. And then after presenting the AOs or the administrative officers, thank you, ma'am, for presenting our newly hired administrative officers. Pretty sure faces are recognized and known when meeting up. Ayan. And then, proceed to raffle draw. Again. So, we will have again our raffle draw. So, we'll see who are the persons who are lucky to get raffle prizes today. Yun lang. So, sasabihin mo yun. And then, magpapa-assist ka to other officers para sa drawing of lots to the respected school heads or teachers kung sino yung assigned na bubunot. Ayan. And then you are going to call kung sino yung mga nabunot for their consolation prizes to receive. Alright. And then after that, part 2, which is the meeting proper. Ayan, so nasa part 2 meeting proper na, which will be presided by the president, kung sino yung president ninyo. Ayan, and then meron ditong reading of the minutes na flow or part of the program. So sinabi ko dito, at this point, may we call in once again kung sino yung magsasalita or magbabasa ng minutes. Our secretary to give us the reading of previous minutes. And then, he or she will read the previous minutes and then praise. Thank you, ma'am, for reading the minutes. Ayan. Then, meron tayo ditong treasurer's report. Kasali din sa program. So, sinabi ko dito, at this time, let us call in our treasurer, ma'am or sir, to present her report. Let's listen attentively. Ayan. So, after reading or after reporting or presenting the report or the data and whatsoever, praise her or him. Just like, thank you ma'am or sir for that clear and detailed report. Ayan. And then after that, the president's time na, which is nakalagay dito sa program, is president's report and Justea updates. So nilagay ko dito sa script ko, reports and updates are very crucial since it gives us information and details of the happenings to be aware of. And for that, another report and updates and review of imparted to us or kung ano yung mga updates na i-share niya or i-render niya or to make us listen and of course to make us attentive kung ano yun. So dapat makinig tayo. So it will be imparted to us by our president, no other than, of course, you need to call his or her name. And then after that, after sharing the updates and the reports and the happenings and kung ano-ano pa dyan na mga topics ng president, praise him or her. Thank you, ma'am or sir, for sharing your report and updates with us. Ayan. And then after that, after the report of the treasurer, the secretary reading the previous minutes and the president's updates and report and any other agendas, so there will be an open forum. So ang nilagay ko dito sa open forum, we'll now proceed to the open forum for clarifications, queries, and interactions relative to reports and updates tackled. Ayan, so yan yung sinabi ko dito. And then after that, after the open forum or the question and answer portion of the participants and the in charge of the topic, so magkakaroon na ng election of ELECOM. Ayan. So, or election of committee. So sinabi ko dito, at this point of the program, let's have the ELECOM to be facilitated by, kung merong in charge dyan, so you must call in him or her. Pero kung wala, of course, the MC will do that. Okay. Then after the election of ELECOM, meron tayong nasa part din ng program. Ito yung title, Reorganization of Justea Officers and BODs or Board of Directors by the ELECOM. So kung sino yung na-nominate at saka nanalo sa ELECOM, they are the one who will facilitate the reorganization of the Justea Officers and the Board of Directors. Okay, so ang sinabi ko lang dito is at this point, we would like to request the ELECOM or the election committee to lead the process of reorganization and election. We would like to invite the ELECOM to start the process. Ayan. So, then after, thank you ELECOM committee. Congratulations to our new set of officers and board of directors of Justea. Hoping for good service, dedication, and unity to make the organization more successful. Ayan. So after, of course, after na nila manalo sa, or after na nila na sila ay elected na sa posisyon na yon, so they are going to have the oath taking. So ang sabi ko dito or line ko dito sa oath taking sa script ko is, let's have the oath taking of our newly elected officers. The oath symbolizes that you accept your roles and responsibilities in the organization. At this moment, we would like to invite, of course, kung sino yung magli-lead ng oath taking, yes, sa ELECOM or sa election of committee to lead the oath of new set of officers. And then after that, invite the newly elected officers to please come in front for the oath taking. Ayan. So after that, thank you moms and sir. Let's give them a round of applause to our new set of officers for school year. Or ayan, or for kung anong year sila magsa-serve or magsa-start. Then after that, another flow is acceptance. So time with the Justea president to accept. So here's my yung nilagay ko dito na script. This time it is an opportunity to hear the message of the new Justea president or new elected Justea president as he or she formally accepts the roles and responsibilities entrusted to him or her by the organization. Ayan. So tawagin mo lang yung pangalan niya and then he or she will render a message and accept the challenge or whatsoever, accept the responsibility and roles given to him or her. And then after that, after the message, so yung pinaka last part ng program is the closing remarks. Ayan. So meron ding in charge sa closing remarks. And here's my last statement na nilagay ko dito sa aking MC script. For our closing, let us call in kung sino yung in charge or who will do the honor to close the program. Justea BOD, okay, for example, for her closing remarks. Ayan. So after that, magpapasalamat yung kung sino yung in charge, and then magpapasalamat siya, magbibigay siya ng closing remarks and message. Ayan. So, hanggang lang sa closing remarks yung aking ginawan. Kasi dyan na naman yung katapusan yung closing remarks. Ayan. So, that's all guys for the sharing of my MC script. So, if you wish to have a copy of my MC script, you can comment on the comment section so that I can provide you a soft copy. Ayan. So, ito yung program at saka dito rin yung flow, and then this is my MC script. Ayan. Alright, so meron ako ditong soft copy if you want to avail. And then, hoping that it can help you a lot. So that's all guys for my sharing, and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye. See you on my next vlog and educational videos. Bye-bye guys.